They're being good little sweethearts. Hi, sweeties. Little babies. Hi, little sweethearts. Oh. And then I hear some sweeties over here. Where are they? Ooh, 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 they're just little babies. No. Oh, 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 oh. I think they're in the tree right here. They got a little. Hi, sweetie.
I think it would be cool to heat that up, have it nice and toasty, and wake up in a scene like this. Or not. You know, it's terrible. My cardboard held up. That cardboard was made, I mean that window broke out during the last storm. I think it was a couple years ago. It's the second year I've been testing my cardboard out. But anyway, let's go see what the sweethearts are.
Hi, sweeties. What are you guys doing there? You guys being nice and warm?